Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in WhatsApp with Gmail account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, first of all, go ahead, access your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Once you have opened up your WhatsApp app, and if you would like to create a new account or if you would like to simply sign in, it will require you to add your phone number, add in the details, and you can simply choose to create your WhatsApp account. But if you have been trying to log in with your email, or if you have been wondering whether you can, first of all, you can genuinely add email to your WhatsApp. For that, all you have to do is go to settings of your profile, and here in this section you will be able to tap on the account option, and now you will be able to find this option of add email address over here. Go ahead, tap on it, add in the email, and then you will get a verification code likewise on your phone number. Go ahead, paste it over here, and you will be able to verify your account, and Gmail, you can add in your Gmail account to your WhatsApp for the recovery purpose. But if you simply would like to delete your account WhatsApp, and again if you would like to try to log in with the email address, there is no option for that. That is simply for you to recover your account. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.